Ending Plastic Pollution Globally haiba themda Directorate of Environment and Climate Change Government of Manipur na sinduna tha ama chumna pangthoktuna lakpa World Environment Day gi thoram ngasi Palace Compound da laiba City Convention Center da loisinba gi thoram pangthokre. Forest Environment amasung Climate Change ki Principal Secretary Arun Kumar Sinha, Mahut ki Principal Secretary R.K. Dinesh, PHED gi Secretary Hungyo Warsong amasung Environment and Climate Change ki Director Dr. T. Brajakumar hariba miyoi sing asina atoiba mitunglen oina saruk yaki tharam aduda tongan college amadi university singdagi mahiroi singna environmental management and conservation da yumfam oiba poster competition amadi 3D model exhibition sing utke amadi tongan ba mafam singdagi self help groups village level federation VLF amadi college singda plastic bottle bank chani yenthoki bagaloinana Waste collection ki damak e-vehicle manga amasu haudoke. Hariba thoramaduga mari leinana Forest Environment amasung Climate Change ki Principal Secretary Arun Kumar Sinha na haikibada miyoibana nongmada sizinariba plastic sing asina akoibagi khal kaihanba khak natana ising nungsit amasung jinjak tasu motsin hali masina miyoibada leina kaya pokhali ngasigi asigum laba thoramasi malem sin thungna matam kaya gi mamangdagi mayuk naduna laklaba plastic pollution asibu maru phangna muthatnabagi pandamda pangthokpani amadi hariba plastic pollution asibu thingba ngamnaba miyam punna ngasi slogan asibu thabakta onthokpada thodang yaminaba changi haike masida natana lainga ki maikaidagi su matam gi khongthang kaya paikhatuna plastic pollution asibu muthatnaba hotnari miyamna su plastic polam sing asi mahut sinba yaba potlam sing sindoktuna sizinarasi haiba wafam sing phongdoke amaromda thoramadugi manung channa pangthokiba symposium exhibition amadi poster competition singda makok mathang takraba singdasu manamatum sing yenthoki